Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Hey, welcome back. Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo. This is Bandera Night Jams and yeah, you're still with DJ Tommy G. How you guys doing? Final stretch of this radio show. Time for me to give you today's latest news and updates, announcements as well. But before that, a couple of invites from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the Shoes Bags Fest happening December 16 until January 15. Uy, malapit na pala matapos, no? Second level beside Anello, SM City Olongapo Central, up to 50% off on shoes and bags. Sip and Win promo is from January 11 until April 10. Now, this one's longer. Coffee to the max means more chances to win. Get one e-raffle entry for every 500 pesos worth of single or accumulated purchase from all participating tenants. All right? So join now. Drink, spend, and get your chance to win a Suzuki Espresso GLMT. All right? SM Supermalls Sip and Win, January 11 to April 10. And Ogawa Philippines Massage Chairs. All right, make way for the new habits and pump up your performance this 2026. The Master Drive IQ2 is built with AI technology and smart body scan system that can read your fatigue levels and recommend a perfect massage program to amplify your energy throughout the day. Ogawa, located at the third level, SM City, Olongapo Central. And welcome 2026 with fresh, satisfying salads that makes healthy eating feel easy and enjoyable. Make your fresh start delicious. Visit Conti's at the ground level, SM City, Olongapo Central, or order online, contest.ph. Caramia Cakes and Gelato. Right, it's gonna be payday and you deserve a treat. Enjoy 30% off on all Caramia treats on January 15, 2026. All right, malapit na, ha? Watch out for it. Only via the website www.caramia.com. Or you may visit Caramia Cakes and Gelatos at the ground level, SM City, Olongapo Central. And check out the Ace Hardware Fresh Fix deals. Start the new year with Fresh Fix. Reset your home with Ace Fresh Fix deals. Get finds for painting, cleaning, and organizing to kick off the year right. Up to 50% off on selected items. Get extra 10% off for a minimum 3,000 peso single receipt spend using SMAC and Ace Rewards cards. January 16 to 18 only. All right? Limited time. Ideal Vision's 40 years of caring for your vision officially kicking off the 40th anniversary with deals made to celebrate you, the loyal customers. 40 pesos frames and up to 40% off on selected frames, lenses, and sunglasses. Promo runs January 1 to 31. Visit Ideal Vision at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown today. Join the SM City Olongapo Downtown Running Club Meetup and turn your fitness goals into a fun weekly habit at SM. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned runner, everyone's welcome. You may join. With or without running club, you guys can join, okay? January 14, 6 p.m., Level 7, Roof Deck, SM Downtown. Wingyard Unlimited Wings. Gather the squad and wing it. It's now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Unlimited chicken wings, unlimited rice, super delicious flavors. You'll keep coming back for more. Level 2 SM City Olongapo Downtown, all right? And this was from our home, a fresh home for a new year, all right? Check out the Our Home SM City Olongapo Central Home Refresh Sale. Mattresses up to 80% off. Furniture and accessories up to 70% off. Linens and carpets all on sale up to 70% off. 0% installment for 3 to 24 months with major credit cards. Great value as low as 9,999. KX items 15% off. Plus free services just for you, interior design advice, furniture assembly, floral arrangements, and even personal shoppers. Our home, Level 3 SM Central. And lastly, the Sandwich Guy is now open to serve you. No need to look any further for your fast and fresh sandwich fix. Visit the home of the world's first hexagon sandwich, Level 4, near SM City. The Sandwich Guy at SM City, Olongapo Central. All right? And some more invites coming from our friends, this time at Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liampo at iba pa. They are located at 7-Eleven, Balik-Balik. Okay, malapit dun sa school ha, yung sa school sa Balik-Balik. Alam mo naman, dalawang 7-Eleven dito sa Balik-Balik Road. But this one's located near the school ha, okay? Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liampo at iba pa. The food cart is there. And now available there, the McKenny meats and food products. So aside from the delicious Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liampo at iba pa, meron na ring McKenny. Alright, McKenny pang ulam, McKenny food products at Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liampo at iba pa, food truck. You may call or text 0960-379-50244, inquiries. Okay, this time latest news and update from in and around the city. All right. This today, just a couple of hours ago, nag-inspection si Attorney Mayor Roland Paulino Jr. sa ginagawang bypass road na magdudugtong sa Kalaklan, Olongapo at Manggahan, Subic. Uy, 'di ba? Ease of travel 'yan ha. Imagine mo magiging magkarugtong na yung kasi pag binaybay mo yung Kalaklan, kung papunta ka ng towns ng Subic, ang layo 'di ba? Ang haba ng dadaanan. So, hindi nabanggit dito yung Barreto. Hindi na yata dadaanan yung Barreto, no? From Manggahan, rekta na, no? Or Kalaklan, rekta, Manggahan, Subic. Okay? What a ease of travel ito. Grabe. Okay, ayos. So, kasama ang City Engineering Office at Department of Works, Public Works and Highways, DPWH. Wala namang ghost project, no? So, nag-inspection si Mayor Attorney Roland Paulino Jr., Lench, kanina, no? Ayan, sa ginagawa pa, hindi pa tapos, no? Malaking tulong ito sa daloy ng traffic, palabas at papasok ng Olongapo kapag natapos. Di ba, there are times nga na halos ilang oras, Diyos ko, may mga nagpo-post na nga sa Facebook, no? Kung gusto mong maging kayo, gusto mong magkatuluyan kayo, idaan mo siya sa Subic. Sa tagal ng biyahe, bago makarating kayo na. Oh, this is gonna be great once it's done, no? Malapit na raw matapos, okay? Also, job openings here. May invitation ang Bureau of Jail Management and Penology Regional Office 3. Apply now daw to be a jail officer, okay? Application for 2026 is now open. Ang basic salary ng jail officer, nakalagay dito, 29,668 pesos. Gross salary, 37,448 pesos. Wow! Malaki pala sweldo ng ha. And merong QR code that you can scan. Puntahan nyo lang yung Olongapo City Information Center Facebook page. Ayan, alam mo maganda sa mga ganito ngayon, may mga QR code na parang kagaya din to nung sa yung sa Labor Department of the SBMA, yung mga ina-announce natin regularly na job announcements, may QR code. I-scan mo yung QR code, it will take you to a site kung saan merong form, no? I-fill upan mo na yung form. Nag-a-apply ka na, rekta na yun, application na yun. In-scan mo lang yung QR code, nag-a-apply ka na, no? Okay? So, ayan. Ang invitation, be a jail officer today. Ayan, okay? May meron pang qualifications. Kaya lang, haba, ang dami, no? Baka matapos tayo 2027 pagka binasa ko lahat. Basta yun. Yun yung job opening. Jail officer. Join the BJMP. Bureau of Jail Management Penology. Also, the City Engineering, today din to kanina lang they conducted clearing operations of cables, spaghetti wires along Rizal Avenue. And, dami yan no? Actually, well, inuunti-unti naman siguro. Kanina, ang cleaner nila yung sa Rizal Avenue. Pero marami pa. Even sa Barreto, even sa Subic, even sa, hindi lang sa Rizal Avenue actually, di ba? mahaba ang Rizal Avenue eh. Yung buong kahabaan na yan na binabaybay ng mga yellow jeep, Rizal Avenue po yan. Totoo naman, pag binaybay mo yung Rizal Avenue, ang dami mo makikitang cables and spaghetti wire, nagkanda, baluktot, balikuko, yung iba ang baba na. May naranasan ako kailan lang, pagdaan ko, tumama, sumalpok sa helmet ko yung wire na nakalaylay. Excess wire, ewan ko kung ano yun. Hindi naman kuryente, hindi ako na kuryente. Pero tumama. Lalo na pag mabilis yung motor mo, magugulat ka lang, tutunog yung helmet mo, tok! Ganun talaga yung tunog, tok! So yan, inayos ng City Engineering Office yan kanina. Pero syempre, kasama sa kanilang pag-aayos ang representatives of Asian Vision. Asian Vision, our internet provider here. Napakabilis, grabe. Pagbukas mo ng internet mo, sumasampal eh. Converge, Globe, and PLDT. Yan, kasama yung mga yan. Syempre, pag nag-ayos syempre, tatanungin ng City Engineering, ito, kailangan pa ba ito? Itong nakalayla na ito, putulin na ba ito? Tanggalin na ba ito? Tansuin na ba ito? Uy, buti dito sa Olongapo, baka hindi ko lang nababalitaan, walang nanggaganon, Di ba sa Manila, grabe, yung inaakyat talaga. Di ba may mga video, Inakyat talaga mismo yung mga salasalabat na wire, tapos pinuputol, kinukuha, tinatanso. Buti sila nakukuryente, Mga sanay, marunong, Yeah. Buti walang nanggaganyan dito, Magugulat ka na lang, wala kang internet. Magugulat ka na lang, wala kang kuryente. Yung pala, tinanso yung mo. Sa kable, sa linya. Sa mauunlad na bansa, wala ka na makikitang cable na nakahang, nakaposte, wala na eh. Nakabaon, nakalibing. Ewan ko kung binindisyon na ng pari yung bago nilibing. Pero yung mga wire sa mga mauunlad na bansa, karamihan, nasa underground pare. In case you don't know, Ayan, so yan nga. Isa sa mga ginawa ng ating City Engineering Office kanina, they conducted clearing operations of cables, spaghetti wires along Rizal Avenue, assisted by Asian Vision Cable. Ayan. Converge, Globe, and PLDT. All right? Also, more from Olongapo City Info Center. Over the weekend, the Business Permit and Licensing Office Enforcement Team roamed around. Nag-ikot sila. Baka nagulat kayo. Nag-ikot sila, yung mga taga-Business Permit and Licensing Office, and asked the concerned establishments to check their stocks regarding the voluntary precautionary recall of Nestle's non-OptiPro and non-Kid OptiPro batches. Yan, okay? So sabi nila, rest assured that we are not just regulating permit compliance but also ensuring that our businesses are proactive in rendering quality and safe services and products to the public. Parents and caregivers are advised to verify if their product is part of the recall by visiting the dedicated website www.parentteam.com.ph voluntary precautionary recall ng Google nyo lang, lumalabas naman yan eh. Nagkaroon kasi ng recall yung Nestle sa non-OptiPro and non-Kid OptiPro batches, yung mga gatas milk formula pambata to Okay, so umikot nga yung to check kung nag-comply dun sa recall ng batches of the Nestle product. Okay? Oh, it's good that our Business Permit and Licensing Office is really proactive on these concerns, Talagang umikot sila. Nag-check kung compliant ba or nag-comply ba, Okay? Subic Water is in need of a program developer, project-based program developer. Okay? Yan yung open position sa Subic Water sa kasalukuyan. Okay? Must be graduate of information technology, computer science, have knowledge in VB, programming, using Visual Studio, and MS SQL, MS Office, ASP. As soon as possible daw. Ewan ko kung program yun, yung ASP, or as soon as possible. Pero yeah, those who knows, Apply na. At Subic Water yan, ha? And may notice to consumers din yung yung OEDC, Olongapo Electricity Distribution. Distribution Corporation, Or company. Company ba? Corporation. OEDC. Company. Nangihingi sila ng paumanhin, no? Notice to consumers, sabi. We acknowledge the inconvenience caused by longer queues or lines at our payment center. Ayan. Ang reason kasi nito, nagkaroon ng recent long holiday break, di ba? Okay? So, nagkaroon ng extended waiting times and humaba yung pila, syempre, yung pilahan. Tapos, bunsod pa nung holiday break, ako rin, naranasan ko, hindi gumagana yung GCash. Bayad ako ng bayad, ayaw. Ang instruction daw na binibigay nila, well, sinusunod ko naman. Alam ko na yun eh. Ganun na yung ginagawa ko since time immemorial eh. Pero, yun nga, siguro baka nagka-problema. Kailangan daw magbabayad ka na, saktong-saktong amount. Di ba? Kunyari, 273.50, ginagawa nating 275, di ba? Hindi na raw ganun. Kung ano yung nakalagay, yun talaga ilagay mo na amount. No? Ganun na raw. Pero over the weekend, over the holidays din, talagang hindi naman gumana eh. Di ba? Sinusunod, ganun naman yung ginagawa ko eh. So, ayan. Siguro baka next billing period, okay na, no? Moreover, yun pa rin daw yung dati, yung kanilang OEDC accredited collection partners for mobile wallets, pay anytime using your mobile phone, PayMaya, GCash, Lazada Pay, Shopee Pay, online banking and over-the-counter BPI, BDO, Land Bank. Over-the-counter, you may pay at SM Mall, Cebuana Luwilier, M. Luwilier, 7-Eleven, Royal Duty Free and Royal Choices, Palawan Express, Western Union, CBS, Security Bank, China Bank, East-West Bank, PBCom, Philippine Business Bank, or PBB. Kala ko performance-based bonus eh. Wala ako niyan. Yan. So, yun. Yun ang sabi ng OEDC. Okay? The temporary increase in customer volume is due to the resumption of the collections after the holidays and accumulated transactions during the disconnection suspension period. Ayan. Pero hindi nila dinagdag eh. Yun nga, hindi nga gumana yung mga online payment, kaya yun, dumami rin. Siyempre, kung ayaw gumana ng payment online, di pupunta ka doon, di ba? Ayan. So, that's the announcement from OEDC. Okay. Kayo, may announcement pa ba kayo dyan? Alright, I guess that's about it for this edition of this radio show. Okay? This has been the Tuesday edition of Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo's Bandera Night Jams with yours truly, DJ Tommy G. Yan. Maraming salamat sa mga sumubaybay, nakasubaybay ngayon. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you sa pakikinig. Thank you for doing that, ha? Ayan, sila Justin Rice. Ayan, si paring Justin Rice is there. Hello! Sinampal ng misis kasi lagi na lang okay. Oo nga. Hi to Ate Romeline Misa Alapag. Ayan, sabi niya, good evening po, sir. Sana po matulungan nyo kami. Sana po, magpakita na yung may-ari ng, Santa Lucia, okay, sa San Isidro. Okay. Sige, ko yung concern mo ha sa ating team dito sa Radyo Bandera, no? Sorry, ngayon ko lang nakita eh. Sana po magpakita na po yung may-ari ng Santa Lucia. Baka Santa Lucia, no? Sa Subic, Zambales, San Isidro, Ibayo, Kaliwa. Meron din kanan, sana po silipin nyo po yung lupa nyo po. Dito tao to tao lang nagbentahan na po dito. Okay. Yeah. Sir Jepro, message mo nga si kung ano yung concern niya. Si Romilin. Sige, try ko rin mamaya pagkatapos ko, ha? Well, ang Radyo Bandera kasi, isa sa mga kilalang tumutulong sa mga ganitong may mga legal concerns. Ayan. May mga program kasi tayo that deals with legal concerns like yung kay Camille Bert Adlawan, Aksyon Bandera sa 107.1. Tsaka syempre yung the BACC Hour ni Kapernan Julian Makabayan with yours truly. Pareho yung tuwing Saturday, no? Yung the BACC Hour tuwing Sabado, 9 a.m. to 11, it's a program of the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, Olongapo and Zambales Chapter. Ayan, okay? Tapos yung Aksyon Bandera naman, kay Camille Bert yun. Teniente Milbert Konsehal, Milbert Adlawan. Kung saan marami ring lumalapit na concerns, mga concerns na legal, nilalapit sa kanya, nahihingi naman niya ng tulong sa Ka-party list niya kasi sila Senator Tulfo, no? Ayan, okay? So, alam mo naman, yung Tulfo Brothers, yan ang specialty, yung pagtulong sa yung mga ganyang mga legal case, mga... Okay, shout out din kay Kuya Israel Dimalanta. Hello, Kuya Israel. Yan. Announcement ha, magkakaroon ng 80th Grand Reunion Homecoming ang Tapinak Elementary School this February. Okay? So, this is the very first for Tapinak. Alam nyo yung Tapinak Elementary School, matagal naman na nagre-reunion yung mga batch niyan, yung mga... Pero yung Grand Alumni, kung saan, pag sinabing Grand Alumni Homecoming, lahat ng batch, di ba, invitado. Ito, ang pinaka-first, the very first for Tapinak Elementary School, and it's gonna be their 80th year. It took them 80 years para magkaroon ng grand reunion. Wow! It's gonna be this coming February. So yung mga graduate ha ng Tapinak Elementary School, kahit anong batch pa kayo, ayan, nakikinig ngayon. May mga tropa nyo, kaibigan nyo, kamag-anak nyo, sabihan nyo sila ha kung naririnig nila tong announcement na to. Tapinak. Ayan, sabi ng mga Americans noon, nung nandito pa yung US military base, Tapinak. Tapinak Elementary School. Tapos yung banikain daw nila, Benny Kane. Benny Kane Barangay. Ayan, si Kuya Israel Dimalanta. Hi, good evening sa'yo, ha? Who else do we gotta greet? Yung iba pang nasa live stream natin. Let me check. Si Kuya Rohel Cabiltes. Hello, good evening. Si Kuya Adrian Gatmaitan. Parang Adrian, kamusta na pare ko? I miss you, ha? Pati na rin si Kuya Justin Rice who's always tune in kahit na nasa Bahrain. May H kasi yun. Kaya Bahrain. Okay. Maridios Valenzuela Aborque. Alexander Antonio Cole. Wow. Yan. Americanized name yung mga Cole, no? Cole. May kaibigan akong nasa US na Cole din ang apelyido. The Cole family. Kalahin mo yung bunso nila, pinangalanan nila ng Jack. Patay, ah. Roko-roko rin yung parents nun, eh. Alam na nilang Cole yung apelyido nila, pinangalanan ng Jack yung bunso. May ate siya. Ang pangalan ng ate niya, Jenna. Anak ng uling, uling, Cole din yun, Cole. Siya, that's it for me. I'm out of time already. Ubus na yung oras. Okay. Si Ate Elisa. Uy, kalain mo, nakikinig pala to. Nakikinig ka pala, Ate Elisa. Elisa Sasalandingin from Tarlac. Yun. Saan nga ba sa Tarlac? Saan parte ng Tarlac? Uy, happy birthday sa'yo ha. Kaka-birthday lang nito ni Ate Elisa Sasalandingin. Alam niyo, kabatch ko to sa high school. Oo, nung kapanahunan namin, napakagandang babae nito eh. Tisay, Miss Tisa. Oo. Alam mo naman, basta nag-uumpisa sa Elisa ang pangalan, maganda, di ba? Elisa, di ba? Si Queen Elizabeth. Ito naman, Elisa lang, no? Eliza Beth Ramsey. Tapinak batch 86 daw siya. Sabihan mo na yung mga kabatch mo, ha? February. The very first, naku, masaya to, the very first homecoming, Grand Alumni Homecoming ng Tapinak Elementary School. It's gonna be extra fun and super fun and very fun and fun. It will be super fun dahil nandoon ako. Mag-MC yata ako eh. Tama ba, Kuya Israel? Mag-MC ako, no? Okay. Yan. All right. Gonna be playing my final song now. Catch me again tomorrow for the Wednesday edition of this radio show. Maraming salamat everybody who's tuned in. Okay, bye. And here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from Natalie Cole. This one's called Starting Over Again, a timeless classic. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.